структурированно, четко излагая сущность этого режима. И понятно, что если
Advisor to the head of the president's office Alexei Arestovich stated that the situation on the fronts of Ukraine may start to change dramatically in favor of the state after June 15. The next meeting of NATO defense ministers on Ukraine will take place in the middle of next month. Today, some weapons from the United States are being shipped to Ukraine. According to Arestovich, system deliveries have already started. The occupiers will try to achieve some results by June 15 to 20 because then the situation will begin to change very much. It will not be immediate, but decisions will be made that show the future, said the advisor to the head of the presidential office. But Russian military incompetence is continuing, as Ukrainian forces report that the commander of Russian Army 104th Paratrooper Division Lieutenant Colonel Alexander Desyaev is eliminated by the Ukrainian army. This is now another Russian military commander among more than 8 generals that is killed in Ukraine. According to Ukrainian data, from 20 to 22 battalion tactical groups of the Russian army are taking part in the Severodonetsk region. Military expert Oleg Zhdanov noted that the Russian military has been trying to take control of Severodonetsk for a week, so they are beginning to lose strength for each new offensive. According to him, at the beginning of the offensive in some areas, the Russians managed to create an advantage of 1 to 20 in technology and 1 to 10 in personnel, but now there is no such ratio. That is why Ukrainian defenders recaptures Kamyshevaket, north of Popasnaya, Luhansk province. Russian forces have captured a key town with major ramifications for their invasion of Ukraine, according to the Russian military and British intelligence. Defense Ministry said Russia had total control of the town of Lyman, according to state media. The UK's Ministry of Defence said that Lyman will prove a critical area to hold due to its railways and key bridges. The intelligence report went on to speculate that Russian military forces will likely utilize the position to force a river crossing to their advantage. The Ukrainian army is trying to relieve the pressure from Donbas by counter-attacking in Kherson province. Odessa military administration official says Ukraine now has a sufficient number of harpoons from Denmark to sink all of Russian Black Sea fleet. So this is a serious threat to the Russian Navy, and they might lose another ship like their flagship Moskva that was sunk by Ukraine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.